So this is the door lock actuator for 2015 Toyota Corolla. And when it goes bad, when you hit the power buttons to lock, it doesn't latch it all the way. The door is still open, unlocked. And then also when you pull this right here, when you pull that, it pulls this little lever here, manually unlocks the door, and then this locks it. This is the electrical part to work a solenoid in here that power locks, power lock, unlock. So when it's not latching all the way, that's bad, you have to replace it. You have 3 screws here, you need an impact driver, I would recommend. When doing this repair, these cables must be transferred from the old door lock actuator to the new door lock actuator. One cable is for the door latch, where you open and close the door, and the next one is for the door lock knob used to close it. Then you just put this little window back on, keep dust and grime out of it. This tab right here, this is what the outside door handle latches onto, and it fits into that right there. So when you are now putting this in the door, don't forget to make sure that this contacts into that little red slot, or you won't be able to open it from the outside. This is me using the impact driver that I mentioned earlier in the video. This is how I loosen, and this is also how I tighten them. Now it's time to get ready to put the door panel back on. Fish the cable back through that protective plastic there that keeps water out, so make sure you put it back on. Now this is the other end of that cable that we attached earlier, so now I'm attaching it to the door handle that is on the door panel. Now it's time to put all these fasteners back in the door panel. There are 3 of them, 2 large ones and then a small one there in the door latch. Give it a little love tap to get all the tabs back in place and you're good to go. Quick tip, before you say you're done and close the door, use your pocket screwdriver to simulate the door being closed, and then use the latch to open and release it, because you don't want to close the door and can't open it. Yeah man, thanks for watching, have a nice day. Yeah.